against Oklahoma where AM just ran past the Sooners. So he's had experience calling plays in that game, and we certainly haven't seen a drop off his feet. Jokel moving to his left, takes a shot, and hits Evans. Inside the right.